Today, we're getting results at home in Marion County, replacing a whole mailbox up to the strict standards of the HOA.
So Eric Von Aken is showing you how to do it yourself to tackle your projects quickly and easily and keep more money in your pocket.
If your mailbox is in bad shape, like this one is, and your HOA is on your case, I'm going to show you how to replace this with only this. Hey, I'm News 6 anchor Eric Von Aken, the handy newsman. Over there is Jeff, the crafty cameraman. And this is Sue.
Hi.
We're getting results at your home today,
Yes.
Sue, in Summerfield. This is your mailbox.
Yes.
What the heck happened?
I'm not sure, but it's had better days.
Okay, and you had a bit of a challenge replacing this.
Yes, because we have to have certain mailboxes.
Okay,
when
required
you're
by
in
your
it.
HOA.
Yep. Yes.
Okay, well, Sue, we have something for you. We still don't need the Sawzall, Jeff. The mailbox. Sue, from the pros at Ace.
Thank you so much.
I think it's an exact
it
replacement.
looks like it is. I hope so.
Okay, now we're going to try and swap it out.
Okay.
Step one, take off the old mailbox. You could certainly use one of these, a plain old screwdriver. But if you got one of these, it definitely helps save time and a sore wrist. Love that part. Step two is check your post. If it's rotted, you're going to need a new one, and not a Sawzall, Jeff. A post hole digger to put it in. This one is solid. Step three is put the mailbox together. Instructions are great for this. Step four, slide it over and screw it in. And that's it. I mean, that took us 20 minutes. I'm gonna go get Sue. Sue, how'd we do?
Oh, it's absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much.
Better than
Oh.
it was, right?
Yes. Oh my gosh.
I think we got
Oh.
results at home for
Yes.
Sue.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
My absolute pleasure. We're in
Thank you.
Summerfield today. I'm Eric Von Aken, getting results. News 6.
Awesome. Well, if you want to watch it again, we have the repair on News 6 Plus and clickorlando.com. Look under getting results at home, and he has the step-by-step instructions as well as the material list so you can try it yourself.
And like Eric said, we are looking for our next DIY project, so send us an email, tell us what we can help you with at your home.